In this video we're going to discuss the sales funnel that you use when you are selling two different products. As you can see, this mind map is similar to the basic sales funnel when you only have one product, but if you have two products then it makes things a little bit more complex. So I'm going to take you through exactly how this will work and two very important tips that I'm going to share with you when using this particular type of sales funnel. Now, the first tip is when you sell your first product, the price point should be between $7 and $15. Now this is very important. Very important. The reason why you should make your first product very cheap is because at this stage in the sales process and your sales funnel, all you're trying to do is find out if that prospect has the ability to pay. You're trying to find out if they have the ability to pay. This is very important. So that's why that your first product that you offer them should be very cheap. It's no good you offering them a product of $47 or $97 at this stage in the sales funnel, because your conversions will be very low and you don't even know if that particular person has got the ability to pay. So it's very important. So once you sell your low price product to a prospect, he obviously then becomes a customer. So then he's transferred over to your buyers list number one, and then the same process then starts from the start of your buyers list. You continue, you obviously send them the product via email and via a download page, and then you continue to provide value over all of your follow-up emails, and then at some stage you may then offer them another product, and if you do, you obviously then have to think about the price point in which your product's going to be. Now the first one, say for example the first product that you sold, a good start would be between $7 to $15. That would be a good start for your first product. So say if you sold your first product for $10 to one of your customers, or to a prospect which then becomes a customer, so he then gets transferred onto your buyers list, and you sold a product for $10. Your next product that you sell wants to be in the range of $17 to $27. It all basically depends on how much you charge for the first product. So if you only charge $7 for the first product, then I would recommend that for your second product you charge between $17 and $27. If you charge maybe between $10 and $15 for your first product, then your second product wants to be between, I would say, around $25 or $22 to about $37. So again, this is something that only you can decide. It depends how much value that you provide in your courses, in your products. So it really depends on it's all up to you on basically how much that you set your prices at. So a good start though, I would recommend, is around $7 to $11 or $7 to $15, but a good price point which I often start at is $7, because at $7 you find out if your prospect has the ability to pay, which is very important. So after they've purchased your low price product, as I said earlier, they then get transferred to your buyers list, and then they go through your emails, and then if they buy your second product, which is maybe at $27, they then get transferred to buyers list number two. So all of your buyers list, all of your customers in your buyers list number two, you know, have purchased your first product and your second product. So your buyers list number two are going to be your most valuable customers, and this can of course continue. You can have a buyers list number 3, 4, 5 and 6. so you can continue to offer them different products in different price ranges. So of course you don't want to offer somebody a $300 course as soon as they enter your list. You want to obviously work up in different increment levels. So your buyers list number 3, you could offer them a $77 course, but obviously the more you charge for your courses, obviously the more value that you have to provide. Not that you have to provide, but you know, you should want to provide more value, obviously, if you charge more for your products. So that's the end of this video. This is the sales funnel that you should use when you have 2 products to sell. Just a quick recap, as we've said. First product, don't go over the $15 mark, and a good price point is around $7, but $7 to $15 is good. And then when they go onto your buyers list, number 1, you can then offer them another product, obviously going a little bit higher. So if you give them a $10 course, if they buy a $10 course, you could then offer them a $22 course in your next product. In your next, when they go onto your buyers list, you can then offer them a more expensive product around $22. But as I said, it all depends on how much you charge for your first product, and that then depends on how much you charge for your next product and the next one after that. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one.